Picking a lock can be done with a few basic tools and some practice. Below is a simple guide to lock picking, but remember, it should only be used on locks you own or have permission to open. Tension wrench. This is used to apply slight pressure to the lock cylinder. Lock pick, a tool with a hook or rake that can manipulate the pins inside the lock. Insert the tension wrench. Place the tension wrench into the bottom of the keyhole. Apply very light, consistent pressure in the direction the lock turns. Too much pressure will make it harder to manipulate the pins. Insert the pick. With the tension applied, insert your lock pick into the upper part of the keyhole. Locate the pins. Feel around for the pins inside the lock. These are small metal cylinders that need to be moved into the correct position. Lift the pins. Use your pick to push each pin up one at a time. You'll feel a slight click as each pin moves into place. Start at the back of the lock and work your way forward. Turn the lock. Once all the pins are set, the tension wrench should turn the lock's cylinder, unlocking the mechanism. Be patient. It can take time to feel how much pressure to apply. If the lock doesn't open, release the tension and start again. Practice makes perfect. Trying different locks will improve your skills.